Hello everyone. Who doesn't like to eat pasta? From small kids to grown up, सबको पास्ता पसंद है. Welcome to Apron String Weekend Cooking. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं mushroom cheese ravioli pasta with lots of garlic. Before we start, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and do let me know how you like the recipe in the comment section. So let's get started. So we are going to start with the ravioli pasta. I have taken maida. I have already sieved maida. I have taken egg yolk. I'll add salt to it. Oil. You can use olive oil also. And warm water. So my vegetarian friends can avoid egg yolk. I'm using egg yolk because it gives nice texture to the dough. If you can see, this is a nice tight dough. I'm going to add a little bit of oil and again knead it nicely. If you can see, it is nicely now thick and tight. You can cover the dough under a damp cloth or even a cling wrap will do. And let it rest for good half an hour. Meanwhile, we'll do the filling. I've already heated the pan. I'll add a little bit of oil to it. Then we'll add butter. And we'll add garlic to it. Onions. We want the onions to turn transparent in color. Once they cook, after 2 minutes, we'll add spinach. You can add any vegetables of your choice, but spinach goes well with the mushrooms. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now you are thinking that I have talked about garlic with lots of garlic. Yes, the garlic will be coming later. I've taken chopped mushrooms. I've taken around 400 grams of mushroom, that's roughly 2 packets. Now I have taken fresh thyme. If you don't get fresh thyme, you can always add a dried one. Or if you don't get thyme at all, you can use mixed herbs also. Now if you can see, mushroom has started oozing out, the spinach and the onion has all started oozing out their water. We want a complete dry filling. So to make a filling dry, I'm going to just add 1 tablespoon of maida and we keep on stirring till we get a thick filling. Now our filling is ready. It's nice and thick. Let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, let's get on to ravioli. I have taken 1 small portion of the dough. Nicely dust the tabletop. And we need a thin sheet. After the filling is completely cooled down, I am going to add cheese to it. I have used a processed and a cheddar cheese. You can add processed will also do, even Parmesan cheese will also do. Make sure your filling is completely cooled down. Once it's mixed properly, take a small portion. I'll show you one. I'm going to add a small portion to it. I'm going to dip my finger into water. Very gently, I'm going to just tap the water to the side and cover it. You can use any fork. Just dip the fork into a flour and keep on pressing. This is, see, so I am nicely pressed to the side so it's sealed properly. Water is boiling. I'll add salt and oil in the water. Then we'll start adding our raviolis. After roughly 15 minutes, you'll see the pasta is floating on top and it's cooked. Now we'll remove it from the flame and we'll put our pan for heating, and now comes the part where we are going to put lots and lots of garlic. I've taken butter. Be generous while using butter. Once the butter is melted, make sure the butter should melt on low heat. We don't want to burn the butter. I'm going to start adding my garlic, and then I have used chopped green capsicum. You can use red and yellow bell pepper will also do. And just little bit, very little bit of salt. I'm using fresh sage. You can add mixed herb also if you don't get any fresh herbs. And once this is done, I'll slowly add pasta. I'll keep on adding raviolis to it. We are not going to stir the raviolis at all. And we are going to cook this on high heat or for another 10 to 15 minutes till all the water gets dry. Lovely, it's done. Now if you can see the water is dry, let's do the plating. So our pasta is ready. I'm going to add a little bit of water in which I had boiled the pasta, very little. And I'm going to add some thyme and dill leaves, and to top up with, I'm going to add some of my Parmesan cheese. Our spinach mushroom cheese ravioli pasta is ready with lots of garlic. The whole recipe is mentioned under the description box. Do let us know how you like the recipe in the comment section. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you from Apron String Weekend Cooking.